Hello my good people. In this video, everything you're about to see has been reviewed by the mechanics at the shop where I'm working, so don't worry. We're going to solve your car's problem. Thanks to this, what I can tell you is that when a customer comes to this shop with that message in their car, the first thing we notice is that the chassis stability system detected something unusual. A customer recently came to me and explained, "The car suddenly feels quite strange and unstable whenever I am turning the wheel or applying the brakes." What I can tell you from experience is that this specific behavior indicates the vehicle's chassis computer is actively limiting overall performance in order to protect everyone's safety on the road. When we look a little deeper into this car, we see that the most common cause is usually a wheel or acceleration sensor sending incorrect information. One of the customers told me it happened when it was raining heavily or the road was slippery, which makes sense. If a sensor fails, the car automatically goes into precaution mode. As one of our technicians says, if a sensor makes a mistake, the car doesn't take risks and warns you immediately. But wait, don't go. In other cases, customers have mentioned to me that the message appeared after a pressure wash or driving through deep puddles. Well, what I can tell you is that this can happen because water can temporarily affect the connectors or sensors. That's why here in the workshop we check the connectors, clean the sensors, and many times that's enough for the warning to disappear. At the same time, some customers have told us that the message doesn't go away even though everything seems normal. And the technical explanation here is that the chassis control module may need a software update or recalibration. BMW has issued bulletins for certain models to correct sensor reading issues and false alerts. So updating the software could be the key. We also never underestimate the importance of the tires. One day a customer said, "I just changed 2 tires and the message appeared." What I can tell you is that this makes sense because the system compares the speed of each wheel. If there are significant differences, the stability alert is triggered. That's why we always check the pressure, wear, and alignment before ruling out problems. Electronics. Some customers try to reset the system by disconnecting the battery. But according to what we see in the workshop, this only clears the message temporarily. As one technician says, if you don't fix the real cause, the warning will come back. So, my friends, let me know in the comments if any of these tips or solutions worked for you. I'll be reading all of them. So, bye bye for now. Take care.